What's up guys, my name is VIDIQ Pinto. Today I'm gonna show you how you can make money online using Pinterest without blog. I said it right, without blog. You see that on this account I have 2 million monthly viewers and I have 6,000 link clicks. And on these other accounts I have almost 200,000 monthly viewers and with 10,000 monthly clicks, and they all are in the same niche. Now you are asking, how is that possible? So this is possible because I'm applying a new different techniques that I'm gonna show you only if you stay tuned until the end of this video. The first thing that you have to do to make this work, you need to subscribe, you need to hit the bell notification, and then you need to like this video. I'm not kidding guys, this is really necessary to make this work. Subscribe, hit the bell notification. And then if you don't have a Pinterest account, go to business.pinterest and create your own account, which is very simple. Now, how you can create an account? You can create an account by niche down to a specific niche. Let's say if you are into cooking, if you want to sell cooking products, cooking recipes, you create your account on this niche. Create an account, follow the process. It's very easy. Now you have your account and your account is empty. Create at least 7 to 10 boards. It's very easy. 7 to 10 boards and repeat other people pins. Create those boards and put in each boards at least 10 pins. 10 pins. I repeat, 10 pins created, and then you will have your account, your brand new account with 7 to 10 boards and with 10 pins for each board. And now let's say we have our account, it's all done, it's well done. Now you can find products in many other places, yeah, like Amazon associates. You can use any type of affiliate that you want to promote. Today in this video, in this particular video, I'm going to show you using Clickbank. So Clickbank is very easy. I'm using Clickbank because it's one of the easiest way to get products, and you don't have to wait for the time to be approved for any products that you want to promote. You can select any category that you are trying to promote, any category that you created your account in, your niche. And I created this account. Let's say that I wanted to promote products on cooking, food, and wine. This is the category that I selected. And then the product that I'm going to promote is this keto breads and keto desserts. So before you're trying to select the link, please first select the landing page, and then let's say I'm going to open this landing page, and then I'm going to open this affiliate page. Okay, affiliate page. So and you go there, you see the page. If it's something that you really wanted to promote, let's say this is the page, keto dessert, and I like it. Oh my god, this make me so yummy. Sorry. And then you will see, okay, this page is very good, it looks something that really is converting. Go to the affiliate page that you also opened. You will see the affiliate page. You will see images. Sometimes they leave images. They leave many resources that you can use for your promotions. And then you create your own pin. How you can create your own pin? You can use Canva, which is very easy. Let's say I went to Canva, I created this pin, I took these images here, took this image and I created a pin. You see here, and then I published this pin. I downloaded this pin and I save it. Download and save to your computer. Create the pin. You create the pin and you can write anything else. If you have any special images that you wanted to create a pin with, you can also do that. And then you go to your account. Click create pin. Create pin. I have this account here. I have this one. Create pin. I selected. When you create a pin, you will see an empty space like this one. You put your title and then your description of your products. Now I have this account here. Then I'm gonna leave the link of this plugin, this Chrome extension, so that you can use. It's a free plugin that you can also find many keywords for your own pin. And I selected these keywords, keto bread recipes, and then I went to the page again and I found this test that I want to use on my post or my pin. And this is the description of this post that I'm gonna publish on Pinterest. And then go back to Clickbank. Let's say I'm gonna promote this one, and just click promote, generate, right? Generator of links. You will see here the generator of links. All right, we have our links, and then you select this link. Please do not use bit.ly to shorten this link, because Pinterest is not friendly with bit.ly. Use the same link as the one you got from Clickbank. Use this link here, and then select one of those boards that you created. Let's say I created this board, and then I'm going to select this board, and I'm going to add on this board publish. When you publish, it will be online. Every post that you post today, it may give you traffic 2 years from now, 1 year from now, 6 months from now, and it's very, very amazing. You need to post at least 7 to 10 posts every single day to make this work. Now, my strategy that I am using to increase the posts, the clicks on all my pins every single day, I also use Canva. I just add a few tricks. For instance, let's say I have this post, I just add this element, right? This is the element that I add, and I had a little bit of transparency. Let's say I decrease the transparency, and yeah, I do something like that, and then I save this image, I upload to Pinterest, and every time I do that, my traffic is increasing. I know you are a little bit shocked with that, because it doesn't make sense. It's not real. Even me, when first I tried out, it doesn't make sense, but it's working, guys. It's really working. It's that simple. It's very easy. Do that every single day. And even if you have a video, just select the part of the video that you wanna, that is more compelling, that is more funny, that is more. Just select the part of the video that you wanna highlight. Take the image, take a screenshot of the video, of the part of the video that is very, very compelling, and upload to Canva and create a post like that, and add this icon. You can do that not just for your products, but your videos on YouTube and other places. It still works. Guys, don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell notification, and have another playlist that you want to check out, because this playlist will help you to get more and more traffic, money every single day. So bye, thank you for watching, and I see you on the next video.